Welcome to my channel. Printer stuck on processing? Here's the fix. Step 1. Check the printer. Make sure the printer is powered on and ready. Check for paper jams, low ink, or any error message on the printer screen. Step 2. Cancel stuck jobs. Open the printer queue on your computer and cancel all documents that are currently stuck on processing. Step 3. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off and unplug it. Wait for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and turn it on again. Step 4. Restart your computer. Restart your Windows PC or laptop. This can refresh the connection and clear temporary printing problems. Step 5. Check the connection. For USB printers, reconnect the USB cable. For Wi-Fi printers, make sure both the printer and computer are connected to the same network. Step 6. Choose the right printer. Open your print settings and confirm that the correct printer is selected. Make sure you are not sending the job to an old or offline printer. Step 7. Restart Print Spooler. Open Windows Services, find Print Spooler, right-click it, and select Restart. Then try printing again. Step 8. Update the driver. Check the printer manufacturer's website for the latest driver for your exact model. An outdated driver can cause print jobs to remain stuck. Step 9. Re-add the printer. If the problem still exists, remove the printer from Windows and add it again. This can create a fresh connection between the printer and computer. Step 10. Print a test page. Print a test page to confirm that the printer is working properly. If it prints successfully, try sending your original document again. Thank you for watching.